So my wife and kids just left for the office and school, and I'm about to hobble into my office, and I thought I would film a quick video because I hear people say I don't have enough time, I don't have enough money, I'm too old, or I don't have the technical expertise to learn how to earn a living online. And I want to tell you that those are not reasons, those are excuses. I'm in constant pain all the time, and I do this every day. So if I can do it, you can do it, and I'll show you. So you know what? Follow me and hobble into my office, and let's see how I get her done. We're getting cooking. Got my mouse pad. And now we're ready to jam. So here I am now in front of my computer and ready to start the day. And I wanted to share my screen and show you something, but I wasn't sure what to show you. So I think the best thing that I can do is direct you to the behind the scenes video that Stuart did that shows you the SFM back office. And I'll put a link down below this video, maybe if you're seeing it on social media, where you can go check out that video. And you know what? I'll share my screen with you now so you know what it looks like. So it's this video right here of Stuart. And you know, I encourage you to register for the webcast. It's excellent. And this will show you what the system is and all that kind of good stuff. And it'll show you what I'm doing in my time here in the bedroom. I'm here to help you, and I'm here to assure you that if I can do this while in constant pain, that you can do it too. And I had all of those exact same excuses, that I'm too old to learn new skills. I don't have enough time. Well, I guess I've got time, but I don't have enough money. You know, that's a really common one, and you can get started for 29 bucks and check it out, and it's refundable. And or I don't have the technical experience. And you know what? I should probably show you guys my website. So you know what? I'll pause this and I'll pull those up. All right, so I'm back, and I had zero experience with websites when I joined the SFM in when was that? January of 2016. And I actually got distracted, and instead of making money, I got interested in websites. And so let me show you guys what I did. I'll share my screen with you. So the first thing I did was expand the reach of my wedding officiant business. And this was a website template that I found and then personalized. So this is my wedding officiant business, and it works quite well for me. I'm way different than the other wedding ministers in town, since I'm younger and more laid back and all that kind of stuff. So I didn't know anything about websites, and this is the website I set up for my primary business. Now I charge a lot of money for it because I custom write ceremonies, so I came up with a discount model called My Mobile Minister. And this is where I'm gonna refer business to other ministers in town when I'm unavailable, just to do quickie wedding ceremonies and sign people's licenses. Then what I learned in the SFM was to create info products, and I created my own. And this is Matt's Wedding Ceremonies. And you might not know that in 47 states, anyone can officiate a wedding. You can get ordained online in just a few minutes, and then you're legally capable of officiating a wedding. And about half the weddings in my town are officiated by aunts and uncles and friends and family who get ordained online to officiate just one person's wedding. And I turned my wedding ceremony material into an information product, and I sell it for 49 bucks, video training, and then one-on-one coaching. And you can see I used the same website template. So once I got good at it, I just replicated, and I didn't have to learn anything new. And then I'll show you my affiliate marketing business, which is Island Time Living, which is where you probably know me from, where I'm advertising on YouTube. And then Island Time Living is, you know, about setting you free, breaking away from the job that you're not passionate about, and having extra time and extra money to go do the things that you enjoy. And that's what I'm building here and sharing with you now. So anyways, I hope that this gives you a pretty good idea of what my typical day might look like. And I'm back on full screen. And so again, you guys click the link down below to see the behind the scenes video with Stuart. And I encourage you to register for that webcast, How to Make Your First 10K Online. And if you're seeing this on social media, leave a comment down below. If I emailed this to you, email me back. Let me know if this is useful at all. and we'll go from there. So like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're on YouTube, leave a comment down below. Have an amazing day, and I'll check in with you soon. And if I can do this, you can do this. You can do this.